Today we're going to start our remodel of our living room, removing our dinette and jackknife sofa and installing a reclining theater seat as well as a custom desk for our workstation. We got the jackknife sofa pulled out. Got to cut a few bolts, get some cleanup done and some carpet. And Kixie's showing off for the camera. Someone's already enjoying the new sofa. Okay, now we're going to bring the desk in. It's a completely different look, and it's not finished yet. I got all the shelves and everything in, but we got to put the top, slide outs, and the doors on. We got the desk installed, all mounted to the floor and to the wall. Now we got to run the electric. We got the holes drilled. Going to run it from behind the couch up here, install a junction box, and then we're going to put an outlet on top, up on top of the desktop once I get that installed. Here's the original wiring coming in from the floor under the slide. I'm gonna undo that outlet and actually reuse it up on top and put in another junction box for the outlets for the chair. Okay, the desk is all complete. Of course, the sofa is installed. Desk. Kixie's enjoying the new seats. She thinks that's hers. We've got one of the monitors installed, but both of the arms are installed. We installed an outlet on top of the desktop to be able to put some power strips to plug all our computer gear in. The monitor arms are bolted through the tabletop, so it's nice and secure. We have the pull-out trays for our workstations to be able to put our keyboard or computer on to give us more workspace. And these are both independent of each other. And then underneath we have a lot of storage, since we took out our dinette that had storage underneath. So we made these doors to cover up our storage. We've got some stuff put in, we've got to finish putting everything in. There's the junction box back here to feed the power from behind the sofa and up into the storage area. So we've got about 2 foot of depth and then about 5'6" total across of storage. So there's those two storage areas. We've got one more large storage area here that will hold our bottled water, and then a shelf up top to hold some smaller stuff. A smaller storage here. And then we have a custom litter box area for Kixie built into the bottom. So we made this out of like a plastic storage tub from Walmart. Just measured one that was close and cut it down to size. And it's on a slide out, so it's easy to clean and access. But yet it's out of the way whenever it's put in. So yeah, that's pretty much the tour of the new desk. So far we're thinking we're gonna like it. And so we'll get to use it this next week and see how it really performs. And I don't know if I showed you the sofa. The details, it has a light that lights up on the floor as well as the cup. It's got massage and heat, and of course it opens up and reclines. And it's what is called a zero clearance recliner. That way you don't have to leave a lot of gap between your wall. It's a space saver. It slides out instead of moving back. So yeah, we'll let you know how we enjoy it as we use it, but I think we're gonna like it. So far we love the sofa. So let's see how we like the desk.